Hi guys, welcome back. I've got WFR 27C radio here. This is an internet radio, so I'm going to show you how to set up internet. So this button is the select button. If you move this up and down, you can go through the menu options. So I'm going to turn it on. So now the network wizard is scanning. You need to wait. And under SSID, your internet service provider's name should show up. So I'm going to find my one. It is, wait, it is this one. So now that I highlighted it, I'm going to press the button in. Okay, so what you need to do is, a lot of people make a mistake selecting push button or pin. You need to go to skip WPS, highlight that, and then press the knob in. Okay, now you need to enter your wireless password. So I'm just going to slowly enter this. This will take a while. So so to find letters, my first letter is F. So I'm going to go and select F. And then when it's highlighted, you press the knob in. And then my next letter is B. So B is highlighted, press the knob in. And then 53Y. 5. So I'm turning the knob. 5 and then I think it's 3. Okay, I don't think you can see it because of the light. And then Y, letter Y, you just go down, scroll down. Okay, there it is. And then you press the knob in. And 5P94K. So number 5. Okay, press the knob in. And then P. Okay, press the knob in. And then P94K, I think. Yeah, go up. And press the knob in. And then 4K. Okay. Yeah, 4. And then K is down here. Press the knob in. Okay, now you need to go to OK. So it's on the right hand side. You need to scroll up and up and up. Just OK. Alright, OK is highlighted. So you press the knob in. Okay, it says please wait connecting. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's connected. So now you can go to station list, press the knob in, and let's select local Australia and all stations, anything you like. So I just selected all stations, and let's listen to anything, I don't know. Uh, what is it? I'll just choose anything, it's okay. And I put the volume on. Yeah, there you go, it's working. So that's about it, guys. So I'm going to put the volume down. So main thing you need to remember when you select uh, the push button, pin and skip WPS, so you must select skip WPS, nothing else. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.